Hi, I'm Gilbert-Jamison, your Team Huddle guru, and in this series, we're focusing on creating a culture of compassion in the workplace and how it enhances the customer experience. So let's start by defining compassion. For clarification, it's a non-judgmental emotion we practice by easing the stress and pain of others. It's our way of demonstrating that we understand and care. And when we create a culture of compassion, some of the characteristics are a great sense of teamwork, an understanding of others, a lower sense of stress, and an increased commitment to our organization. On the other hand, when there is little or no compassion in the workplace, we are impatient, rude, and abrupt with each other. There is a low level of trust, and people absolutely hate coming to work. So how does creating a compassionate work environment really benefit our customers and coworkers? Well, when we demonstrate compassion, people are more trusting, they feel that we have their best interests in mind, and subsequently, their satisfaction increases.